Welcome to IGT and Tech College, mobile phone repairing, software and hardware, and website development. Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove password in this phone. The name Mione. As you see, password locked. So we're gonna use computer. If you don't have computer, this method will not work. You must have a computer. So we're gonna use this software, Miracle Sander 2.882. Then we come here. This phone chip is RDA. If you don't have a software to check the CPU type, call use on the link below in the description video. Then we set to RDA call sign, then read on unlock. Then we're gonna connect. Bootloader is 0. That is bootloader. You have to press on it. So let me first remove battery, put it again. So then we scroll to start button, then press here on bootloader or boot key. This boot key. Press on it, then enter, plug in USB, then wait. As you see here, yes, that is unlock code. Unlock code is here, 0852, meaning that is the password. So we read the password. So here we're going to turn on mobile phone and restore factory reset using that password which we receive from this software. Setting restore factor 0852, then yes. Turn on again or white. So we have to white because we restored factory reset. Yes, successful. So the password is removed. We can use this software to remove different mobile phones, to remove password in different mobile phones, even Techno, Itel. Thank you for watching.